What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Britney Louise. If you are new here, how you doing? Hey, hello. Today, we are finally gonna talk about them cheeks, honey, okay? No, not those cheeks. No, we not trying to have no explicit foolishness on this channel. I am talking about the Cheeks Out Blush and Bronzer collection by Fenty Beauty. Finally got these bad boys in. So I purchased 3 out of the 10 blush collection, and I purchased 1 bronzer from the Cheeks Out Cream Bronzer collection. I'm going to compare my cream bronzer with my powder bronzer from Fenty Beauty today as well. Before we get started, I'm just going to pop that up there because that's a plug. And 2, if you ain't subscribed by now and you've seen several of my videos, or if this is your first time seeing my video, you're going to want to stay. So might as well just hit that subscribe button right now. Alright, I'm ready to get into these cheeks, honey, okay? The 3 blushes that I ended up picking up. Here's number 4, Crush on Cupid. And I'm just going to swatch that. I want to see how well it shows up, if it can go any deeper. So that's how that looks blended out on me. Number 5, Strawberry Drip, which is kind of like a berry red shade. Let's see how this swatches. Let me dig in here though a little bit more. I don't know if you could tell the difference between Strawberry Drip and Crush on Cupid. Let me see how they look on my arm. Okay, that's a little bit better. So the pinker one is Crush on Cupid. The one that's not as pink is Strawberry Drip. Lastly, we have Cool Berry, which is kind of like a mauve purple finish, and it looks like it has a little bit of shimmer in it as well. So I'm just gonna swatch this one as well. First, I'll show you on my finger. The Cool Berry is pretty. It has a nice little pink kind of golden sheen to it. They are $20 a piece. They are really tiny. You get about 3 grams or 0.10 ounces in each of these pans here. They all come with mirrors, so that's a nice touch. But seriously, these things are really small. I thought it was going to be the size of like a regular Freestyle palette, but these are pretty small. No matter, let's just see how they look on the face. I was wanting to do like a nice eye look with these two, just to kind of play around with each color. I might be able to do that, but I don't know. Y'all see how chocolatey I am, so I don't know. The bronzer that I decided to get, I ended up buying the chocolate cream Cheeks Out bronzer. It looks like it's going to be more of a cool tone than it will like my Cocoa Naughty. Cocoa Naughty is a little bit of a cool tone too. Looking at it up close, it almost looks like it's going to be a contour more than a bronzer. But let's just see. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this color. Look at how deep that is. So I'm going to use this hand. And so that's the swatch that I got. And I'm just going to rub it down. It almost seemed like it rubbed away. I can still see it, but it seemed like it rubbed, kind of just rubbed away, like it blended right in. We're going to see how this goes, okay? I'm a little nervous, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if my cheeks is gonna remain bare or they're gonna be covered up or whatever's going on, but we're gonna see how they do today, okay? With these colors. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the bronzer and just see how it looks. And just see how that works for my face. Now, I've already got contour on, so I'm just trying to see if it's gonna just blend in with my contour or if it's gonna warm up my face. It looks like I just extended my contour. It doesn't really look like it's giving me much warmth. It just looks like I just brought my contour from my ear up to my cheek. I don't know. I wish chocolate was like a little cherry chocolate or something, like a red bark chocolate, because it's not really warming up anything. It just looks like it added to my current contour, so, you know. So if you about my shade and you're looking for a contour, like a cream contour, chocolate might be it, honey, because it definitely doesn't look like a bronzer. It's pretty, though. It does add some warmth to my face, I guess. But, I don't know. Let's put some Cocoa Naughty around it and see what happens. Maybe, just maybe, I'm crazy. Even Cocoa Naughty doesn't have a whole lot of warmth. It's still on the cooler side, but it's not as cool as chocolate. I'm looking for something that it's not giving me, I guess. I don't know if that even makes sense, y'all. So here's the side with Cocoa Naughty and chocolate. And my forehead is just Cocoa Naughty. And then this side is the side where it's just the chocolate cream bronzer. So, I mean, don't get me wrong. Like, I look fly. I look good. I look fly. I look good. All of that. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. How do I look in the comments below? So, I don't dislike it, but I don't know. It warmed me up, though. So, I mean, it does do the purpose of warming me up. But I feel like I could have just taken a contour color and just kind of did it myself. So, yeah. I'm going to have to pray about it, okay? Let's move on. We're going to move to the blushes and see how they show up on my face or not show up on my face. I'm not sure. We're going to figure it out. I'm just going to play with these blushes and see how they look on my lips, my face, all of that. I'm just going to play around with them. So I really want to see how this Cool Berry looks on me, especially since it's the deepest shade I have. And I'm going to use my fingers with this and see how I like it. Can y'all see it? Can I see it, child? I like it because it has a, like, sheen to it. What's weird is I feel like my camera is picking up on it. So, I feel like in the playback, I'm going to be like, oh, I put too much on. But I don't really see it too well in my mirror. Like, I can, okay, let me see. Let me turn. Okay, you can kind of see it. This is for that everyday chocolate girl who likes blush but don't like blush. They just like a little bit of something there. That's what this Cool Berry is doing, okay? It's just a little bit of something there. You can see that gold finish in it though, so that's kind of cool. I like that. I like a chocolate covered berry. There's nothing wrong with that, by the way. I'm just making note of that. I just want to know how buildable is this. So let me do one more layer on this side. I wouldn't want to go any further than this. We got Strawberry Drip next. I kind of want to see how she looks on the eye. Or maybe the lip. Okay. So this is the Strawberry Drip. And it can get pretty pigmented. Look at me looking crazy. I look crazy, don't I? Just a tint of love, a little bit. Okay, this is cute. I like the Strawberry Drip. Drip. I probably did enough over here. Let me put just a teeny bit here. We just putting blush all over the place. We just doing what we want. You can tell the difference between the Cool Berry and the Strawberry Drip for sure. Oh yeah. And the more I add, the more drip I get. And now last but not least, I'm going to play with Crush on Cupid number 4. And I think for this, I'm gonna put it on my eyes. I don't care. I'm just gonna put it on my eyes. See how I like it. See how well it shows up. If at all. Don't do this at home, y'all. Lowest of keys is giving me a little bit of a glossy eye, okay? It's a look. It's a little bit of a look. Okay, it's kind of a look. She cute. Put a little bit of this, little chocolate cream on the outside so I can get a little flex going on here. Girl, what the hell are we doing, to be honest? Put a little bit on the nose. Crush on Cupid on the tip of the nose. Okay, so that is my face. All the wonderful berries and cherries and strawberries and all that is all over my face, honey. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I also want to know what colors you got. I will say, I don't know, if you are deeper than me, I kind of wonder about some of these colors because, like I said, they show up on me, but you know, you got to build them up a little bit. They do look pretty. Every color showed up in its own special way. I think they're worth trying, but I can't see a whole lot of people just raving about these. When I tell y'all I got just enough color out of each of these shades, literally, I got just enough. I don't mind them, but I don't know if they're going to be my favorite thing. I don't know. I'm going to have to pray about these to see if it's something I'm just going to keep on wearing. Well, I bought them, so I'm going to wear them, but I don't know. I'm not crazy about them. Now, the Cheeks Out Cream Bronzer doesn't feel sticky, but the Cheeks Out blushes have a little bit of tinge of a stickiness to them, but, I mean, you could just take some setting powder, what's left over on like a powder puff, and just kind of dab right over that, and that should help. Yeah, it doesn't feel as like I got product there. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you guys want to see next so I can add it to my video list, okay? Because I really do take what you guys say to me in consideration when I am planning out my videos for you guys, okay? I want to stay consistent with this. And sometimes you're going to be running out of ideas. So if you have some that you want to see, let me know in the comments below, okay? Tell me what you think about the Cheeks Out collection. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. I would love to know what colors you want, what colors you have. Is there any other shades that you feel like I should order, play around with? Just let me know below. In the meantime, between time, if you want to enjoy any of my other videos, go right over here and tap them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, my face is right here, child. I know you see it. Go ahead and subscribe, boo. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.